welcome to News in Flash column of 28 July 2021. It is presented to you by Lawseco. I'm Ankita Paridan. Now let's proceed with this session. Our first news item is about appointment of new Chief Minister. Basavaraj Bommai will be appointed as the new Karnataka Chief Minister. The Bharatiya Janata Party has chosen 61 year old Basavaraj Bommai as the next Chief Minister of Karnataka, and this decision has been taken after the resignation of the past Chief Minister B.S. Yedurappa. He was seen as a man who was close to the Lingayats, strongman, and outgoing Chief Minister B.S. Yedurappa also. Mr. Bommai is also the second chief minister whose father was a chief minister of the same state, that is S.R. Bommai, and his name you can relate from the very famous case S.R. Bommai versus Union of India. And also, there was another father son duo in the state with H.D. Devagowda and H.D. Kumaraswamy. Moving to the second news item, it is about appointment of Delhi Police Commissioner. Rakesh Asthana has been appointed as Delhi Police Commissioner. Mr. Asthana is a 1984 batch IPS officer who is to retire on July 31st. Accordingly, According to Ministry of Home Affairs order, Mr. Asthana, who was serving as Director General Border Security Force, will join as Delhi Police Commissioner with immediate effect. On July 1, Balaji Srivastava, a 1988 batch IPS officer, was given additional cadre of Commissioner of Police, Delhi Police. Mr. Asthana had earlier served as Special Director of the Central Bureau of Investigation or CBI, and also he was the Narcotics Control Bureau Chief. Moving to the next news item, it is about UNESCO World Heritage List. Dholavira, the very famous Indus Valley Civilization site, it has been selected on the UNESCO World Heritage List. So the Harappan site city of Dholavira is in present day Gujarat, and on Tuesday it is named as the 40th Indian site on UNESCO World Heritage List. The ancient city of Dholavira is one of the most remarkable and well preserved urban settlement in South Asia, dating from 3rd to mid 2nd millennium BCE, and this was discovered in 1968. This site is set apart by its unique characteristics such as its water management system, multi-layered defense mechanism, extensive use of stone in construction, and special burial structures. This site is located in the Kutch district. Dholavira is larger of the two most remarkable excavation of the Indus Valley civilization dating back to 4,500 years ago. The site had been on UNESCO's tentative list since 2014. Moving to the next news item, it is on Krisi Siksha. Pandit Deen Dayal Upadhyay Unnat Krisi Siksha Yojana was launched to develop human resource in organic farming, natural farming, and cow-based economy for environmental sustenance and soil health. So it was started with establishment of 100 centers. Under this scheme, 108 training programs will be organized for awareness of farmers during the period of this operation. Training programs were organized for the farmers under this scheme in the field of organic farming, natural farming, and other related latest technologies. This has brought awareness about organic and natural farming also, and as organic and naturally raised commodities produce fetch more price, therefore it is a step towards doubling their earnings or the farmers income. Moving to the next news item, Indian Navy joins exercise along East African coast. So the Indian naval ship Talwar is participating in the annual exercise Cutlass Express 2021 which is being conducted from July 26th to August 6th along the east coast of Africa. The exercise focuses on East Africa's coastal region and is designed to assess and improve combined maritime law enforcement capacity, promote national and regional security, and increase interoperability between the regional navies. In 2021 edition of the exercise involves the participation of 12 Eastern African countries like the US, UK, India, and various international organizations like the International Maritime Organization, United Nations Office on Drug and Crime, also on Interpol, Economic European Union Naval Force, Critical Maritime Route, Indian Ocean, and EUCAP Somalia. So this was all for today. Thank you.